But this user can buy the griddy emote tag. I am currently hitting the grid right on the silent. Join a Roblox server. The grid will your server together. Look, this user is already the griddy right on the silent. But this user can buy the griddy emote tag. I am currently hitting the grid right on the silent. Join a Roblox server. The grid will your server together. Look, this user is already the griddy right on the silent. But this user can buy the griddy emote tag. I am currently hitting the grid right on the silent. Join a Roblox server. The grid will your server together. Look, this user is already hitting the griddy right on the silent. But this user can buy the griddy emote tag. I am currently hitting the grid right on the silent. Join a Roblox server. The grid will your server together. Look, this user is already hitting the griddy right on the silent. But this user can buy the griddy emote tag. I am currently hitting the grid right on the silent. Join a Roblox server. The grid will your server together. Look, this user is already hitting the grid right on the silent. But this user can buy the griddy emote tag. I am currently hitting the grid right on the silent. Join a Roblox server. The grid will your server together. Look, this user is already hitting the griddy right on the silent. But this user can buy the griddy emote tag. I am currently hitting the